What's good, YouTube? Like I said, we're gonna get into this unboxing. As you see, I got that Moncler on. I just walked outside. I was just walking to the store and shit. But yeah, man. If y'all need that Moncler vendor, go to my channel description, and my IG is in my channel description. You can hit me on IG. I do sell vendor links, so let me know. This badge do take you to the Moncler website. It's a QR code on the inside that take you to the Moncler website as well. Here go that package you can unbox. Yeah, today we got the scissors right here. I'm not sure what this is. It could be anything from designer hoodie, Bape hoodie, chroma hoodie, Canada Goose jacket. So, this is a Moncler jacket. This is a Moncler jacket. Damn. I didn't believe that this package was ever gonna come here. Honestly, it's been like 3-4 months since I ordered it, so we do got a Moncler jacket on. That just came in. It's crazy that I got the Moncler jacket on, is what I meant to say. But this Moncler jacket just came. Good thing I got the gloves on. This is an all-white jacket with micro optic fibers. This is the Moncler Palm Angels collab. It does come with a charger, as you can see. But that's me pulling the jacket out the bag. This is the bag. This is the jacket all folded up. This is the charging bank to keep the jacket lit up. But yeah, you guys, this is that Moncler Palm Angels collab. I am very excited about this. As you can see, we got Palm Angels written on the back. It is supposed to be silver from the vendor I got it from. It is black. You got the Moncler tags on there. Boom. Right. The size tag is different from this vendor. It's supposed to be, this is a size 3, which is like a large in US. It's supposed to be near the shoulder area, right here on the right side of the jacket. But it's decent, you know. I can still sell it for $1,000. We got the cartoon on the left side, on the right side of the jacket this time. We still got size tags. As you can see, we got the regular size tags. Let me find that QR code for you all. Boom. So it does come with hologram and QR code as well. If you all can't see that, this will take you to the Moncler website. And yeah, but this is the all-white jacket. This jacket does light up. With the pocket. I'm trying to figure out maybe the right pocket 9 times out of 10. Yes. So it does come with a charger piece inside of the right pocket. But you got brown inner lining. Like I showed y'all the cartoon, I showed y'all the size patch. This is a size 3. We do have the disconnecting hood, or like adjustable hood patch. Look. Yeah. That's decent as well. Once I figure out how to light the jacket up, obviously I'll light it up. But we got the Moncler badge right here with the palm tree Say Moncler. They got the sleeves. Yeah. I gotta figure out how to light it up for you all. Who knows? Maybe I have to just plug it into the charger. But I'm about to show y'all everything. I really don't want to get this jacket dirty. So I don't know, there's like colors in here. I don't know what they do. I don't know how to light the jacket up. There's no inside pockets. No inside pockets. Yeah, but here goes the charging plugs hanging out the outside pocket. I'm gonna try to hang it up and hopefully there's a jacket right here though. But I'm gonna hang it up and try to charge it right here to the left of me on the wall. I said that part was kind of disconnected. It's a zipper though. But there's that. I got the charging piece. And I got the charging bank that came with it. This jacket did cost me $430. The price has dropped since I purchased it the first time. The price is now like $340. And that's including shipping for one of these. I have bought two of them, but since the shipping took so long due to it having like electricity and stuff throughout of the jacket, the shipping took a long time. So that's one of the reasons why I replaced my other one, because I didn't believe it was gonna come. I didn't refund it. I just talked to my vendor and replaced it with some other designer merchandise. But yeah. This is the power bank. I'm gonna turn it on right here on the side of it, right here. My thumb's on it. I apologize. The power bank turns out to be dead, so I have to charge it. It is a USB charger, regular Android charger like the old ones. But this is the power button right here. I'm gonna charge it and then plug it up and come back for you all and see if the jacket lights up. What's good, y'all? I just put that joint on the charger. I had just plugged it up on the wall for like 30 seconds just to see if it would light up. This is what came out, and then the jacket started sparkling. Once I plugged the jacket in, so let me show y'all the jacket. So this is the Moncler Palm Angels collab jacket. I do have it on the charger right here. Once again, all you need is a regular Android charger to plug it up, and both power banks are on the side of the pockets on the Moncler jacket, this pocket and this pocket. But you could charge it from this power bank right here that comes with the jacket. So you can see we got the Moncler badge with the palm tree on there. You got the Moncler logo, or the Moncler size tag, I apologize. With the number 3 on there, because you know Moncler sizing is in numbers. And yeah, the whole jacket lights up throughout the front, the back, and it is daytime, so it's not really doing as much justice as it would typically. We got the Moncler tags on here. It is a brand new jacket, as we can see. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the Moncler. I'm gonna stuff the charging bank in the pocket and then show you all the back of the jacket. Yeah. hang it up right here for you all. But as you can see, we got the Palm Angels, and the jacket is lit up all over throughout the inner sleeves. The jacket inner lining is gold on the inside, as you can see from the neck right here. It is gold on the inside, but this is the Moncler Palm Angels collab, the light up micro optic fiber jacket, and the whole jacket lights up, as we can see. This is amazing, guys. This is amazing. Like I said, it is daytime right now where I am, so it doesn't do the jacket as much justice as it should. But yeah, boom. It's the jacket all lit up. Starry night, lively jacket. Boom. Everything is smooth. Moncler Palm Angel collab jacket. Put the power bank in here once again. This is how you charge the jacket up. Bam. Power bank right here. Charges it from the pockets, and you can charge the power bank with the Android charger. It's like a portable charger. Moncler badge logo. Clean. Everything clean. Everything brand new. Everything is clean. Moncler Francesco Ragazzi with the size tag number 3. We have the cartoon on the inside, right? Stitched perfectly, as we can see all around. Stitched perfectly. Not a flaw in the stitching. We then have these tags right here, and the QR code is right here. Bam, QR code and hologram with the set of numbers to match the jacket. So this is the Moncler Palm Angels collab once again. Like I said, it is daytime, so it doesn't do it as much justice as it should. But you got the Moncler puffer jacket. This is actually pretty puffy. It just doesn't do much justice on camera. Gold inner lining, cartoon patch tags, original store tags, all light up. What's up, Facebook? This is the Moncler Palm Angels collab. The jacket does light up. It is micro optic fiber. This is a size 3 in Moncler, which is like a size medium/large in US sizing. Moncler is brand new. It does come with the bag, as you can see right here. It does have the badge right here, Moncler badge. Since the jacket does light up, it does need to be charged. It does come with zippers. The jacket has gold inner lining throughout the inside of it. But yes, the whole jacket does light up. This is the power bank. Each pocket on sides of the jacket does have a charger, and you can plug it into the power bank and charge the jacket up. Obviously this side is plugged in, so that's why this side is a little bit more lit up than this side at the moment. But the jacket does have gold inner lining. This is the power bank once again. This is the Moncler Palm Angels collab. I'll show you all the back one more time. Boom, let me hang it up. And that's the entire jacket. I do have pictures of the inside.